Hello everybody, this is Abdul Salam once again in front of you. Hope that all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this location, and today I want to talk about this location. So dear lovely friends, actually dear friends, uh, this location name is Gaurang Nagar Florican Park. Is situated uh, nearby in our hometown Bilashipara. Uh, actually, uh, 3 kilometer distance. This town and this Florican garden. So, dear lovely friends, actually, this park are lots of things. This park. So, dear friends, behind me, actually on stork, big stork, I think. So, on siles, stork siles. I cannot proper English meaning. I think it's called stork. So, dear friends, this is the bamboo bridge, I think. So lots of peoples come here and visit this location. And today I uh, I have come here, and I can see so many peoples, and they are making video and album video making. And so with my friends, also he also come here this park, because of he is a YouTuber, and he is also making video purposes come to here, and I am also making video for English making and English practicing video making purposes. I have come here. So dear lovely friends, you can see some days I cannot making video, and don't upload any video my Facebook page or YouTube channel, because lots of problems to nowadays. That's why I cannot making blogging video and English making practicing videos. So today I have decided one video making. So that's why I start this video making purpose. So they are lovely friends. So this is the practicing video. So by the way, I don't making video. So I today I also evening time I also one video making I decide. So dear friends, so my behind side, this is the actually pond. Not only pond, it's a on a small actually park pond. So many grass this pond, and I don't proper English meaning. I think it's a Bengali language is and local language is called Kusturi. So I cannot English language. So dear friends, and in our behind side one bamboo garden, and this there is a one cow, and this cow is eating grass on the field, actually in the field and in the garden. And my dear friends, my another side, uh, two uh, two men, and they are sitting in the actually sitting on the field, and they are discuss so many things and their friends. So they are lovely friends. Today my video actually already 5 minutes across 5 minutes, I think. So thank you